This is my project. I've got an old Hobie skateboard that was Joe's, and it's pretty wore out. These trucks are done. So I went and got a dime bag repair kit and gonna fix this up, see if it's rideable. Well, got the truck repair kit in there. You can see they're pretty pretty sturdy now, not wobbling around. These are what were they, 95s, I think. So they're kind of designed to be a little bit stiffer because I just want to cruise on them. Anyway, probably gonna clean up. Might get some new wheels. These are pretty old, and I don't know. They look pretty wore out, and they're pretty rough. Not a lot of traction on those, so I think that's probably next. But just wanted to see if it was rideable with some new bushings in there, which these are dime bag bushings, 95Ds, I guess what they call them. Anyway, not really wanting to do tricks or anything. Probably want to put a marine sticker on here, but anyway, a decent little board. We'll see how it goes. So I took the board out, and remember how I was saying I probably needed some new wheels? Well, yeah, this just happened. No, I did not fall. but my fat ass did in these old wheels. So I will be getting those.